After 21 long days cooped up inside their homes, the lockdown on Sydney's northern beaches ended at midnight. Residents celebrating their newfound freedom by returning to their beaches and local cafes. But some said the streets were still relatively quiet, considering it is a beautiful summer's day in Sydney. They're hopeful that other Sydney-siders throw their support behind local businesses whose trade has really been decimated over recent weeks.
We're just hoping people still come back up to the northern beaches and visit us.
It's been pretty hard, and my mum was in close contact, so she was isolated for a bit.
I think it's good, but I think we've also got to take our time, be careful with it.
I am glad it's over, but hopefully it doesn't happen again.
Caution too from the New South Wales Premier. New South Wales recording those 3 new cases of locally acquired transmission. Gladys Berejiklian noting that recent new infections have been among people in isolation, but she warns there are still remnants of the virus in the community and now is not the time for complacency.
We are still mopping up, and that's why all of us have to be on high alert. The risk in Greater Sydney is the same today as it was last week, because it only takes 1 or 2 cases to get out of control, or an undetected line of transmission to get out of control, for all of us to be in a situation where we have to consider making things tighter.
And Eliza, young women will be the target of a new ad campaign for the vaccine. Why is that?
Well, Andrea, this is based on new research showing that young women aged between 30 and 39 are the most likely to be concerned about the safety of a vaccine. So the government recognising the need to target certain demographics that may be influenced by anti-vaccination voices on social media, and also reassure those who are worried about the side effects of any possible jab. Now, there will also be ads coming up in the next few weeks that are targeting Indigenous and multicultural communities as well, so promoting a high uptake of the vaccine, as chief health officers across the country are doing too.
Once our regulator has assessed them as safe and effective for rollout in Australia, I think Australians can be confident in the vaccines, and it is critical that we take them up.
Andrea, this ad campaign won't kick off until the vaccine is given the final tick of approval, with vaccinations set to begin from mid-February.
Eliza Edwards, thanks for the latest there.